Nature Walk Round 2, starring Mom and Angie behind camera and guest starring Joe. Here we go. And here we see the pretzel in its natural habitat.
Just keep adding.
Yep. One time we went up there, we didn't know where it went. You know where it goes? Up there.
That's pretty much where it went.
It did. It didn't go anywhere.
Oh, wait, didn't that go to the school?
Well, it went to the field. It went to the school.
Joe! Oh, I need a digital camera. Buy me a digital camera.
Buy your own digital
Buy
camera.
me a digital camera.
Buy your own digital camera. Buy your own camera. Buy yourself.
Camera.
Raging river.
So here's checkpoint number what? 3? Are we at movie 3? 3?
And if it gets anything, it just goes up these.
There are floating things on.
Look, it's our bridge history lesson for the day. It smells down here.
It does smell.
Smells. Ew.
It smells like badness.
Ew. That's gross. That's gross. Joe!
An amazing floating bridge.
Is it floating right now? No.
It's almost time to go to Sherwood Forest and see if Robin Hood and his merry men are there.
See what I have to put up with.
She brought my scooter home.
Onward! So here's Sherwood Forest, just to prove that Mom's not totally off her rocker.
Like you've seen him shoot him?
Mm-hmm.
People actually shoot bow and arrows out here.
Sign of life.
Ooh, that campfire's still hot.
How can you tell?
'Cause it's got coal, it's got smoke. I know my campfires. Yeah. Joe, your comments. Joe! Oh! Yes, you are. You have no choice. Oh snap! Oh snap! Oh snapsies!
Snapsies.
Thank you, Erica.
Eric.
Concluding movie. We're done. What are your? I know. It's
It was
fast.
much faster this time than the last time
We actually know where we're going this time.
And we didn't stop and panic.
We were so lost last time. Hey Joe, what do you think about that walk?
Traditional.
The traditional Joe pose. Ah, map.
What we wanted to know is why they didn't have a map of the trail.
Camera.
Beginning and going backwards.
Oh.
Oh. We're just backwards, I guess.
We didn't think of that.
We're just backwards. We're so backwards. Oh, snapsies.